That's where we find KPRC2's Michelle Turner. Michelle?
Jonathan, police have been out here since 6 o'clock this evening taking pictures and...
It's him with his windows down. I'm getting in front of him. Engaging. I'm gonna try to get him after this. Coming to a red light intersection. A lot of people. Come on, bring it in.
Juked him. He knows.
Hey, tell him if you can. Tell him.
All right, boys, we ready, dude. This dude's smoke. Might fight it out.
Martinez, come on. I'm gonna try to get him out there. Alright. Coming to the red light intersection. A lot of people. Come on, bring it in. Here, right here.
Hey, shots fired, shots fired.
I got hands. Don't move. Hey, we got shots.
Shots fired. Good.
Are you okay, Jaime? Jaime, you okay? Good.
A lot of people. Come on, bring it in. Here, right here. Hey, shots fired, shots fired.
I got hands. 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 Don't move. Hey, we got shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. You okay?
Check, yeah, check her.
Now get on the main channel, get a medic.
Just check on this dude.
Jaime's good?
Can you
Yes. Hey, do me a favor. We're gonna have to sit him up. All right. Get another seal. Hey, put an inclusive on that. Right here. Hey, look.
That one there? Is that the one you want there? In the middle? Middle of the bird.
That's too low, man. I don't think that's gonna be right.
Thanks, cut this.
73. That's gonna be a pulse rate. And that's gonna be O2. Put O2 next to that. Pulse next to 73. Hey, he's dripping. He's got another hole.
Yeah, these are the old ones. He tried to patch them up earlier.
Does he have any new shock on him?
Yes, it looks like.
He has the old ones from last night.
Do your pants. Pull them down. Check. Check the little frag right there. A glass maybe, or you think frag?
Hey, go to my box on the left-hand side. Pull out that deal. It's got my IO in it. Backpack for this. Bring it over here.
Good.
Yeah. Father's Day, though.
Huh? It's been eventful since 3 a.m.
It was close on Hyman. Like when you hit him, dude, I just see that dude come out with a gun.
Yeah.
That's my driver's full. I had a feeling, man. As soon as he cut y'all off, the holes in the truck
I didn't see him.
on the other side. Dude, it's like from the top skin.
Hey, everybody go off cameras. Contact.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,